Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Study finds that people who curse a lot may actually be more honest. Squid brains are donut shaped and their esophagus runs through it, meaning if a squid eats too much, it can literally give itself brain damage. Coronation Street is the longest running TV soap. The day Michael Jackson's hair caught on fire was the exact middle of his life to the day. Australia will no longer have winter by 2050 according to researchers from the Australian National University. The first video game console was the Magnavox Odyssey. Michael Jackson used to sleep in an oxygen tank but then donated it to Children's Hospital. Cats have 90% survival rate when falling from buildings 2 to 32 stories high. There is a company in the UK that offers being hungover as a valid reason for calling off work. 75% of coffee species are currently threatened with extinction due to climate change according to a study published in the journal Science Advances. Crocodile faces are 10 times more sensitive than human fingertips. Americans spend 13.9 billion minutes a year on Facebook and 5 billion minutes on MySpace. The more often you see someone, the attractive you think that person is. This is called the mere exposure effect. There were binoculars on board the Titanic, but they were locked in a box and nobody had access to the key. If the key had been found, the icebergs may have been spotted. According to medical studies, low cholesterol was also linked to aggressive behaviors with higher rates of suicide. Monastic sign languages are closer to symbolic gestural forms of communication than deaf sign languages. The maximum length of hair can be 70 to 90 centimeters. The symbol, usually written beside a person's name to indicate that they have died, represents a dagger, not a crucifix. 40% of Earth's land is in 6 countries. Amazon's Alexa can flip a coin for you if you are having trouble making a decision. Ain't is a word in the dictionary. It is listed as obscene term meaning am not, are not, or is not. The Masonic Lodge in Bermuda presents a single peppercorn on a velvet cushion to the governor of Bermuda as payment of rent for the building they use. A stretch of road that defies the laws of gravity where stationary vehicles are pulled upwards. About 2% to 4% of gift cards go unused, according to a study made in 2020 that comes to a total of 2 to 4 billion dollars that goes back to the store in the US alone. There are more people living inside this circle than outside of it. Our retina usually records an imperfect and confusing image of the object in front of our eyes. These images get interpreted and analyzed in our brain. One way the brain makes sense of these images is by making predictions about what we will see based on our experience. Are 3 to 4 kilometers apart but have 21-hour difference in winter and 20-hour difference in summer. Zebras digest food much less effectively. As a result, they need to spend a longer period of time out in the sun eating more food. Stripes play an important role in keeping the zebras cool in African heat. From New York to Singapore takes 18 hours and 30 minutes. In most cases, people wake up when they die in a dream because dying is a stressful event. It causes the brain to release adrenaline in your body. You can't sleep with an adrenaline rush. Bangkok is shortened version of the city's full name. Chicken is rich in cysteine. In cooking, the meat releases the cysteine into the broth. Cysteine is an amino acid that thins the mucus in your airways and lungs. According to 2023 research, the average screen time for users around the world aged 16 to 64 across different platforms and devices is 6 hours 37 minutes per day. Medieval archers were so strong they could fire an arrow the distance of 3 football fields. Archaeologists can distinguish an archer in a group of medieval corpses because their bow arm is abnormally large. Several million years ago, Africa began to lose some of its forests to long grassland. Walking on two legs enabled humans to see over long grasses and scan for predators. This drastically improved the survival rate of a human, resulting in evolution. Brain Johnson claims that he will never die. He is the slowest man in the world to age with an aging speed of 0.64. He can live 5 extra months every year just because he follows the simple life hacks. The most important step is sleeping 8 hours a day, without which he can't function well. Next, he works out every morning for an hour, focusing on stretching every muscle rather than lifting weights. He only eats once daily with a calorie intake of 1500, avoiding meat, tea, caffeine, and even milk. He never goes out in the sun during the daytime when the UV index is more than 4 and prefers mornings and late afternoons. Every morning he takes 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil as it nourishes your heart, brain and skin. Thanks for watching.